What if the reason your projects still feel average is not your skill, but the tools you have not discovered yet? On AU Techverse, we are uncovering 30 genius woodworking tools, redefining precision, speed, and control in 2026. Stay with us, because every tool you see has its Amazon link in the description, and skipping one might mean missing your smartest upgrade. RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw 1. Clean, precise cuts are difficult to achieve with bulky saws, especially in detailed work. The RUITOOL Japanese hand saw uses a pull-cut design with a thin SK5 high carbon steel blade that reduces resistance and improves accuracy. Its double-edged teeth handle both rip and cross cuts, making it versatile for different materials. The flexible blade offers better control in tight spaces. It is a reliable tool for achieving smooth, accurate cuts with less effort. NEIKO 5-inch automatic center punch. Marking exact drill points can be inconsistent when done manually. The NEIKO 5-inch automatic center punch uses a spring-loaded mechanism that delivers controlled impact without a hammer. Its adjustable force allows use on wood, metal, and plastic, while the hardened steel tip ensures durability. The compact design improves handling in tight spaces. It is a practical tool for creating precise starting points and improving drilling accuracy. TOOLCOOL Self-Centering Dowel Jig Kit. Aligning dowel joints perfectly can be challenging without proper guidance. The TOOLCOOL Self-Centering Dowel Jig Kit uses a mechanical centering system that positions holes accurately without repeated measurements. Built from aluminum alloy, it ensures stability during drilling. It supports multiple dowel sizes and allows drilling multiple holes in one setup. It is a dependable tool for creating strong, aligned joints with consistent precision. Jorgensen Cabinet Master Pro Parallel Clamps. Achieving perfectly aligned panels or cabinets requires strong and even clamping. The Jorgensen Cabinet Master Pro Parallel Clamps deliver high clamping force while maintaining 90-degree alignment. Their parallel jaws distribute pressure evenly, reducing the risk of distortion. A high torque handle improves tightening control, while the design supports heavy-duty assembly tasks. It is a reliable tool for securing large workpieces with accuracy and stability. EZARC Carbide Oscillating Blade. Cutting through mixed materials can slow you down when standard blades wear out quickly. The EZARC Carbide Oscillating Blade uses carbide teeth with a laser-welded design to handle hard materials like metal, screws, and dense wood. Its tapered body reduces vibration and helps maintain smoother cuts. Compatible with most oscillating tools, it installs quickly for fast changes. It is a durable option for consistent cutting performance across demanding tasks. Trend 3-piece Drill Bit Guide Set. Drilling perfectly centered pilot holes is essential for clean hardware installation. The Trend 3-piece drill bit guide set uses spring-loaded guides that align the bit automatically with hinges and fittings. Made from high-speed steel, these guides are built for durability and repeated use. The quick-release design improves workflow, while retractable bits enhance safety. It is a practical tool for achieving precise, professional drilling results every time. Infinity Drill Bit Depth Stop Collars. Controlling drilling depth manually often leads to inconsistent results. The Infinity Drill Bit Depth Stop Collars allow you to set exact drilling depth using dual-set screws that prevent slipping. Designed to bridge over drill bit flutes, they maintain stable positioning during use. The included sizes cover common drill bits for woodworking tasks. It is a reliable solution for achieving consistent hole depth with improved accuracy. Festool Domino System. Creating strong, repeatable joints can be time-consuming with traditional methods. The Festool Domino System combines a rotating and oscillating cutting action to produce precise mortises quickly. Adjustable width settings and indexing pins improve alignment, while the pivoting fence supports angled joints. Integrated dust extraction keeps cuts clean. It is a professional-grade solution for building strong, accurate joints with speed and consistency. Wolfcraft Edge Planer. Finishing drywall or board edges cleanly can be difficult without a consistent angle. The Wolfcraft Edge Planer is designed to create a uniform 35-degree chamfer on plasterboard edges, allowing smoother joint filling afterward. It supports common board thicknesses and uses replaceable blades for continuous performance. The ergonomic cradle improves control during long passes. It is a practical tool for achieving clean, consistent edge preparation with less effort. True Blue UltraView Box Level. Accurate leveling is essential for every stage of woodworking and installation. The True Blue UltraView Box Level provides high-precision measurements with clear acrylic vials that are easy to read in different lighting conditions. Its durable frame resists impact, while surface grips improve stability during use. Designed for reliability, it helps maintain straight and level alignment. It is a dependable tool for ensuring accuracy across a wide range of projects. WYQYQ Face Frame Clamps. Aligning cabinet face frames can be time-consuming without proper support. The WYQYQ face frame clamps hold pieces securely while allowing you to drill and fasten without shifting. Their design includes protective pads to prevent surface damage and guide holes for accurate screw placement. Adjustable pressure ensures compatibility with different thicknesses. It is a practical tool for achieving precise alignment and clean assembly in cabinetry work. Poiyham T-Square Ruler. Drawing straight, repeatable lines is critical for accurate cuts and layout. The Poiyham T-Square Ruler is made from durable aluminum alloy with laser-engraved markings for clear visibility. Its design includes positioning holes and support lips that prevent tipping during use. It allows precise marking of parallel and perpendicular lines. It is a reliable tool for improving measurement accuracy and maintaining consistency in woodworking projects. Franklin ProSensor M150. Locating studs behind walls can be unreliable with basic detectors. The Franklin ProSensor M150 uses multiple sensors to detect both edges and centers of studs without calibration. Its wide LED display shows the full stud width instantly, improving accuracy during mounting. It can also detect live wires for added safety. It is a dependable tool for ensuring secure installations when hanging cabinets, shelves, or heavy fixtures. KUWZTY Random Orbital Sander. Achieving a smooth surface finish requires consistent sanding without swirl marks. The KUWZTY Random Orbital Sander features variable speed control and a 5-inch sanding pad for versatile use. Its random orbit motion improves surface quality, while the soft grip reduces vibration during extended work. A detachable dust bag helps keep the workspace cleaner. It is a practical tool for efficient sanding and professional finishing results. HOTO Rotary Tool Kit. Detailed carving, polishing, and cutting tasks often require multiple tools. The HOTO Rotary Tool Kit combines these functions into one compact, cordless system with adjustable speed settings. It includes multiple accessories for sanding, drilling, engraving, and polishing. Its lightweight design and built-in LED improve visibility and control. It is a versatile tool for handling detailed work with precision and flexibility. WORKPRO Pneumatic Brad Nailer. Fastening trim or small components manually can slow down your workflow. The WORKPRO Pneumatic Brad Nailer uses compressed air to drive nails consistently with adjustable depth control. It supports both brad nails and staples, making it versatile for different applications. The safety nose and quick jam release improve usability. It is a reliable tool for achieving fast, clean fastening in woodworking and finishing tasks. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil. Accurate marking is the starting point of every clean cut, especially in tight or hard-to-reach areas. The Nicpro Carpenter Pencil features a deep hole design with a long 45mm tip that reaches narrow spaces easily. Its thick 2.8mm lead resists breaking and works on wood, metal, and plastic. With built-in sharpener and multiple refills, it stays ready during long projects. It is a simple but essential tool for maintaining precision in every layout task. Slipstick Furniture/Bed Risers. Working at a more comfortable height or creating storage space can improve workflow in a workshop or home setup. The Slipstick Furniture Risers lift heavy furniture securely, supporting high weight capacity with reinforced construction. Their recessed top keeps legs stable, while anti-slip pads protect surfaces. Stackable design allows height adjustment as needed. It is a practical solution for improving accessibility and organization without permanent modifications. EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set. Clean screw finishes require precise countersinking, which standard drill bits cannot achieve alone. The EZARC Countersink drill bit set features tapered bits with adjustable depth stops for consistent results. Made from treated high-speed steel, they are designed for durability and smooth cutting. The quick-change hex shank improves efficiency during use. It is a reliable set for achieving flush, professional screw finishes in woodworking projects. WoodSaver Wood Moisture Meter. Using wood with incorrect moisture levels can lead to warping or cracking over time. The WoodSaver Wood Moisture Meter measures moisture content accurately using both pin and pinless modes. It includes multiple calibration settings for different materials and a backlit display for easy reading. Audible alerts warn of high moisture levels. It is a practical tool for ensuring material quality before starting any woodworking project. Kreg Panel Carrier. Lifting large plywood sheets alone can strain your back and risk damaging the material. The Kreg panel carrier clamps onto sheet goods and uses an ergonomic handle to distribute weight more evenly. Its GripMax pads hold securely without marking the surface, while the jaws adjust automatically up to 3/4-inch thickness. It turns a two-person job into a manageable single lift. It is a practical tool for safer, more controlled panel handling. RotoZip RotoSaw Plus. Cutting openings for outlets, vents, or fixtures can be awkward with standard saws. The RotoZip RotoSaw Plus uses a high-speed spiral bit and a 6-amp motor with variable speed from about 15,000 to 30,000 RPM. It supports multiple attachments for flush cutting, circle cutting, and surface removal. Dust collection compatibility keeps the workspace cleaner. It is a versatile tool for fast, controlled cuts across wood, drywall, and other materials. Steel Wood Moisture Meter. Checking moisture content before cutting or burning wood helps prevent performance issues later. The Steel Wood Moisture Meter uses metal probes to deliver quick, clear readings through a simple interface. It also measures moisture in materials like plaster and mortar, adding versatility. Its compact design makes it easy to carry on site. It is a reliable tool for ensuring wood is properly conditioned for use. KUWZTY Edge Banding Trimmer. Trimming edge banding neatly can be time-consuming without a dedicated tool. The KUWZTY Edge Banding Trimmer uses a sharp, replaceable blade system to deliver clean, flush edges on materials like PVC, ABS, and veneer. Its adjustable design supports different thicknesses, while the non-slip base protects the work surface. Compact and easy to control, it improves finishing quality. It is a practical tool for achieving smooth, professional edge results. Soccer Mini Table Saw. Working on small parts or hobby projects with a full-size saw can feel oversized and unsafe. The Soccer Mini Table Saw offers a compact desktop solution with a 100W motor and adjustable speeds up to around 6,000 RPM. It supports cutting angles from 0 to 90 degrees and handles materials like wood, plastic, and thin metal. Its lightweight design improves control. It is a practical tool for precise, small-scale cutting tasks. All-way multi-purpose scrapers. Removing paint, adhesive, or residue can take time without the right tool. The all-way multi-purpose scrapers are designed with durable blades and comfortable grips for controlled scraping. Some models include hammer ends or threaded handles for extended reach. Built for versatility, they handle a wide range of surface preparation tasks. It is a reliable set for cleaning, prepping, and restoring surfaces efficiently. Carbide Countersink Drill Bit Set. Achieving flush screw finishes requires consistent countersinking. The Carbide Countersink Drill Bit Set includes tapered bits with adjustable depth stops for precise control. Designed with spiral flutes, the bits help remove debris smoothly while cutting. Compatible with standard drills, they support woodworking and general assembly tasks. It is a practical set for creating clean, professional-looking screw holes with consistent results. Ticfoam Double-Sided Woodworking Tape. Holding small pieces in place during routing or cutting can be difficult with clamps alone. The Ticfoam Double-Sided Woodworking Tape provides strong adhesion while remaining removable without residue. Made from durable PVC, it resists heat and tearing during use. It is especially useful for templates, edge routing, and pattern work. It is a simple but effective solution for securing materials quickly and improving accuracy. WYQYQ Corner Clamp. Holding pieces at a perfect 90-degree angle can be frustrating when parts shift during assembly. The WYQYQ corner clamp uses an aluminum alloy frame with adjustable jaws to secure materials of different thicknesses firmly. Its rotating mechanism keeps alignment accurate while allowing easy tightening. The design also includes mounting holes for added stability on a workbench. It is a practical tool for achieving clean, square joints with better control and consistency. That brings us to the end of these genius woodworking tools that can truly upgrade your workflow in 2026. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share your favorite tool in the comments, and subscribe to AU Techverse for more smart, practical tool content that helps you build faster, more accurately, and with confidence every single time.